Hey guys, welcome to my new video of camera comparison between iPhone X and Mi A3. iPhone X has class-leading 12 megapixel wide-angle rear camera with telephoto lens. It can shoot 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. On the front, it has 7 megapixel true depth camera. On the other hand, we have Xiaomi's A3. On the rear, it has a 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is amazing, a 2 megapixel depth camera for the bokeh. It can record 4K 30 frames per second, 1080p 60 and 30 frames per second. There is a EIS enabled on shooting 1080p videos, but not on 4K. On the front, it has a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera. It can record 1080p videos with 30 frames per second. Now, good thing is that it has a camera UI of MIUI, not the Google camera application. So you have all the features of MIUI camera. There is ultra wide angle mode, there's a night mode, plus tons of features. One important thing to note here is that the main 48 megapixel camera is basically just like the Redmi Note 7 Pro camera. In the normal shooting mode, you don't get the default 48 megapixel camera. You have to enable the camera option in the Pro camera mode. So you get the 48 megapixel camera only when you're shooting in Pro camera mode. Let's see some sample images and videos shot by this smartphone.
Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much.
Now the most important thing is where to buy this device and the price of the device. So the price of this device in UAE is 760 AED, equivalent to 14,1500 Indian currency. Now remember, this is the first stock in Dubai, so the price will go down soon with the next stock. Call the number on the screen to order the device, as this is one of the best shops to buy Xiaomi devices, and the stock is available now, and also you get unbelievable prices over here. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like the video. That's all for this video, guys. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.